Please take this video very seriously if you've scored a good percentile in CAT or are expecting a good score in ZAT or both, because now is the time when you run with your GDPI prep. अब समय बर्बाद करने के लिए समय नहीं है आपके पास, because हर साल यही होता है that MBA aspirants they wait and they wait and they wait even more for them to begin their GDPI prep, and by the time their actual interview has come they are severely under prepared. Even when they come for mock interviews just a few days ahead of their actual interview, they get so bogged down with the feedback that जो भी थोड़ा बहुत chances होता था उनका कुछ कर जाने का, अगर उन्होंने सही समय पे शुरू करी होती या फिर सही तरीके से प्रेप करी होती, even that chance gets lost. My dear friends, this video is going to talk about 3 aspects of your GDPI prep: the mindset which you need to have with respect to your prep, what exactly do you need to prep, and a plan, almost like a study plan for your prep. Because my dear friends, even this prep requires you to have a serious study plan like your CAT prep or ZAT prep did. My dear friends, if you don't know me yet, I am Darpan Saxena, an MBA graduate from IIM Udaipur. I have been the MBA product head at Career Launcher. I am the founder of Creatum and I help MBA students create fulfilling careers without depending on placements. You should subscribe to my channel for the simple reason that it's not just this video that's going to be on your GDPI prep. I am going to bring out more free content, almost a full program for you to do your GDPI prep completely free using my YouTube channel. That is obviously apart from the paid courses which I have. Therefore, it is important that you do this really well. My dear friends, the very first thing which I want to talk to you about is the mindset. And here is where a lot of unlock will happen in your mind. I hope you can see my screen. Yes, you can see. There are 2 things which I need to say to you, and both of those things are in front of you. First thing, please don't get complacent. And this happens with so many people. This happened with me. I'll tell you my story a little more later in this video. But then, hey, CAT and ZAT is in the finish line. It's almost just the half time. That's it. You've done your first half really well. Now there's the second half, because the next 60-70 days are going to decide what your future is going to be with respect to your MBA this year. In fact, 60 to 70 days is also a very long समय जो मैंने लिख दिया यहाँ पे. शायद आपके पास 60 से 75 days है भी नहीं. It's about what you do in the next 4 weeks. Next 4 weeks is gonna decide what happens to your ambition of pursuing MBA in this year. This is that important. And obviously, finally, waiting for a waitlist to come and then I will start my GDPI prep because I think my percentile may or may not be adequate is just equal to losing time. यार, how can you do that to yourself? My question is this. आपने इतने साल, पूरा 1 साल या हो सकता है 2 साल भी या कुछ और समय भी आपने पढ़ा है for CAT or for ZAT. Now you've scored a respectable percentile which is giving you, which might give you an opportunity for a dream B school. अगर वो maybe भी लग रहा है आपको कि यार इस पे आएगी कि नहीं आएगी, how can you leave it to chance is what I'm trying to understand. Is 1 year that flimsy for you कि हाँ यार चलो यार नहीं हुआ? नहीं, that's not how you're supposed to do it. And I know the concern which you have, but sir GDPI prep तो हर इंस्टीट्यूट के महंगे हैं, 15,000 20,000 30,000, क्या करें कैसे करें, आता हूं मैं उस पे. One thing I've already advised you, follow my channel for the simple reason that some of this basic prep तो I will give you for free yaar. That is something which everyone should have. So that is something which I will do for sure. But then the point is not that. The point is that you need to start, and also while you should not get complacent, you should also not overestimate your profile. At times, and most of the times I see this happen, that people with exceptional profile from great institutes, great academic history, they have a presumption that what, the moment we'll walk into the interview room, interviews are going to be so impressed and there's going to have a rosy-eyed phenomena with us that they will see us with a different kind of love and affection, and we're going to get recruited into the B school. No, it doesn't happen like that. I've seen so many examples of this, that people lose it out primarily because of their overconfidence. What I need to tell you in this are just 4 very simple things. Please, great marks does not mean guaranteed converts. Even great work at great companies does not mean great converts, even at institutes who value such things. You still have to do the talking. And I'll tell you where the students lack. The moment I come to prep, a lot of more unlocks are going to happen in your mind, because then exactly what you need to do and when you need to do all of that is going to come in front of you very simply. Now, the second thing is that your resume doesn't speak. You have to do the speaking. And now you will actually understand that I'm talking more about speaking part of it. In Hindi or in Urdu, I call it as andaze bayan. If you've been following me for more than a year, you know that I do a lot of emphasis on, I give a lot of emphasis on andaze bayan. How do you say things? How do you tell your story? That is what I teach to my students inside my paid programs as well. That's what I teach. That's that. Coming on to this thing, the see, the third thing which I want to speak to is that please be ready to explain your achievements. Great that you have them. Great that you have been exceptional. You need to have a way in which you tell them so that it creates maximum impact. See, my dear friends, there are a lot of achievers which are coming to that interview room each day. हर दिन एक इंटरव्यूअर कम से कम 20 से 40 इंटरव्यूज लेते होंगे डिपेंडिंग ऑन विच बी स्कूल दे आर इन और व्हाट देयर स्ट्रक्चर इज. अब वो 40 इंटरव्यू अगर रोज ले रहे हैं, बाय द एंड ऑफ द डे यू नीड टू बी रिमेंबर्ड, एंड इट्स नॉट जस्ट विद योर IIT Bombay or your BITS or your NIT or SRCC name that they're going to remember you. No, you have to leave a flavor in their mouth. It's just that. It's as simple as that, my dear friends. Coming back to this, which simply means that your false confidence is good, but false confidence or overconfidence is going to get you grounded really soon, because you will have not much to speak or much interesting things to present in the interview if you're not working hard on it. These were the two things which I want you to keep in your mind, that this is a laborious job. You have to work hard on it. You have to work hard as if you're prepping for CAT, because see, in India there is a big problem. I'll also say this to you. You tell MBA, see, I take mock interviews every day. 4 mock interviews every day I have been taking since December last week. People are that level of like committed. December last week से उन्होंने करना शुरू कर दिया. And in most cases I am seeing that irrespective of what your profile is, the moment I ask them to talk about themselves, it flattens out like this, because people can't talk about themselves. We don't know how to talk about themselves. It's not in our culture. हमारी सभ्यता में है ही नहीं कि अपने बारे में अच्छी चीजें हम कहें. अनफॉर्चुनेटली हम सेल्स भी इसलिए, आई सॉ दिस थिंग समवेयर ना, दैट यार इंडियंस सेल्स में क्यों नहीं होते अच्छे, इसलिए नहीं होते अच्छे. वी डोंट टॉक अबाउट आवरसेल्व्स, वी डोंट सेल आवर स्टोरी वेल, which is what I help you with. But anyways, the prep which you need to do is very simple thing. Again, start your GDPI prep immediately, which means what? That please treat this as a new phase. This is not CAT. Please join a GDPI program right now. Even if you have to join multiple programs, eventually do that. I know of great people who have cracked some of the great institutes. They were enrolled with 2 institutes, 3 institutes. ऐसा तो है ही नहीं कि ओह सर अब तो हमने यहाँ पे enroll कर लिया है, अब कैसे यहाँ पे करें enroll. No, you need more. You need as much help as you need. Different perspectives you need, not on your story so much, but on your interview prep. That is why also I get this thing a lot that, sir, but it's expensive. But then I want to tell you that there is ROI. At least start with one program which you think is going to be your main program. See, if there is a lot of confusion about which program to join, I can give you a very simple advice. I had launched this program. It's called the MBA Interview Cracker. My dear friends, this is entirely for you. In this program, I focus only on interviews, primarily on interviews, not so much on GD and all, because interviews are what make you win. What I help you with is that I help you work on your story, that आपकी story क्या है. And this works alongside any GDPI program, because unfortunately a lot of GDPI programs, they do not work on your story. They do not work on your story. They do not work on how do you present your answers. अंदाज़े बयां पे वो काम नहीं करते, because obviously they have to solve a lot of other problems for you as well, which is that okay, they have to help you with with your GD prep and your GK and your a lot of other aspects. But most programs don't realize that it's your interview that requires most time. That is why I give you time in this program, so that I can know your story. You speak to me that what my story is, and I help you craft beautiful answers from that, authentic answers which present you really well. So my dear friends, अगर कुछ नहीं हो रहा, start from here. It's going to be a great start, I can guarantee you. Now coming back to the thing which I wanted to share with you, that my dear friends, please join a GDPI program. Because that is something which is going to help you. The ROI is massive. The moment you get into a top tier B school or your dream B school, you have made it. किसी को याद नहीं आएगा 20,000 लगे थे, 30 लगे थे, 40 लगे थे, याद नहीं आएगा. It is good. Again, begin with one mock PI. That's the first thing which you need to do. Just see, okay, just like every educator says for your CAT prep, begin with a mock, start with a mock. Why do they say that? Because mock gives you an understanding of where do you lack. In the same way, just wait for this place when I come to you with the plan. I will tell you the same thing. Start with a mock interview. Even if you're not prepared, start with a mock interview. You need to know आप कितने समुंदर में हैं. समुंदर में हैं भी कि आप एक लेक में हैं कि कहाँ पे हैं, पॉन्ड में हैं, किधर हैं, ये समझना जरूरी है. Again, even in my program, the first thing I start off with is a mock interview. That is what I do with you, so that I want to check how are you unprepared. That is as simple as that. That is what I would recommend you. And finally, my dear friends, see, again, if there is something which I can help you with, book a call with me. if you don't want to take a mock interview, if you don't want to directly enroll, book a call with me and I want to hear you कि तुम कहाँ पे हो, क्या सोच रहे हो, कुछ are you in some sort of an issue, a problem, what are you, अभी problem क्या चल रही है लाइफ में, talk to me about that, it's okay. Or if you want me to take a mock interview, I am known for giving very in-depth feedback, that's that. So we can do all of those things. And again, the fourth point is very simple, that please take multiple mocks from different people. I am the last person to say कि oh you know what, take only one GDPI prep मतलब वाला program and only take my program. I know you have to take multiple programs. तुम्हें मेरा भी लेना चाहिए, तुम्हें जहाँ पे और तुम्हें है कहीं इंटरेस्ट लेना चाहिए, तुम्हें तुम्हारे पास एटलीस्ट 2 से 3 इंटरव्यू GDPI prep programs होने चाहिए, only primarily because that is the kind of exposure you can get in your interview. Multiple people giving multiple feedbacks on what your answers are. At the end of the day, yes, you need to follow one strategy, but you should hear what everyone has to say. That's that. My dear friends, second thing which I always say what you need to prep is what I teach primarily is that build your story, not just answers. See, here's the problem. The biggest problem is, my dear friends, that we start to हम याद करना शुरू कर देते हैं YMBA का आंसर ये बड़ा सेक्सी सा साउंड करेगा या फिर स्ट्रेंथ्स में ये स्ट्रेंथ्स बड़ी अच्छी साउंड करेंगी. नो, यू हैव इनफ स्ट्रेंथ. आप अपने आप को इतना कमजोर और बोरिंग क्यों समझते हो यार? हेलो माय बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम विद स्टूडेंट्स इज दैट दे थिंक दैट देयर स्टोरी इज बोरिंग, दैट दे थिंक दैट दे डोंट हैव एनीथिंग इन देयर स्टोरी, व्हिच इज रॉन्ग. आई हैव हैड पीपल हु हैव टेकन मॉक इंटरव्यूज विद मी एंड देयर स्टोरीज हैव मेड मी क्राई, बट दे डिडंट रियलाइज दैट part of their story was so impactful. They've gone to their interview rooms at IMA, IML, and people have said to them that, hey, I wish I had a child like you. This happens because then I worked with them, to project their story that well. That is why it is important. See, my dear friends, this is something which I specialize in my course MBA Interview Cracker. I work on your story. I'm almost like a story building expert or a story extracting expert, so to say. ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है, but फिर भी I just like said it again. Then build a narrative which flows. So for example, your YMBA cannot just be a simple YMBA answer which sounds like anyone else's YMBA answer. No, it needs to be driven from your story, from your history, and where you eventually want to be and how you logically connect the two. कि मैं अभी ये हूँ, मेरी aspiration ये है, इसके लिए MBA एक बहुत अच्छा fit है. That is your YMBA. See, I've given you that framework for free. I'd be making a video on YMBA. Hey, wait, hello. If you want me to make a video on YouTube on YMBA, I am ready to make it. Just let me know in the comments that yes, you want it. Also, let me know how you're liking this video right now. It is not just important कि सर ये वीडियो चाहिए, बताओ इस वीडियो में सेंस बन रहा है कि नहीं बन रहा है. बन रहा है, लिख दो कि सर वेरी गुड यार, मजा आ गया. नहीं बन रहा, बोलो सर क्या बेकार. Whatever it is, let's speak about this. Let's speak about your interviews. And the third thing is that, my dear friends, consistency बहुत जरूरी है, clarity बहुत जरूरी है. एक इंटरव्यूअर को झट से समझ आ जाता है क्या चीज सच है, क्या चीज झूठ है. सच बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है आपको शायद अपने सच को प्रेजेंट करना नहीं आता है. आई वॉज अ स्टैमरर व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू गो फॉर माई MBA interviews. I used to stammer badly. Yet I realized much later that there is a way in which I could have even presented that and that would have worked. That is the thing. And then that's what I've been teaching to students for the last 10 years almost, because that is what makes sense, my dear friends. Now coming one crucial point after which I will go instantly to the plan. My dear friends, आपको जीके का बड़ा वो लगता है कि सर यार जीके पूछ लेंगे हमसे, जीके पे सवाल हो जाएगा. भाई जीके पे सवाल नहीं होगा. जीके पे सवाल होता है मतलब वो आपसे फैक्ट्स नहीं जानना चाहते हैं, वो सिर्फ आपके ओपिनियंस जानना चाहते हैं. Here it is in front of you. GK is not important. You need to present your facts, and only enough number of facts that will help you substantiate the points which you are making is what is required. Hello. I will repeat this. You don't need to remember all facts, my dear friends. What you need to remember is that what are the facts which will help you substantiate your opinion. Opinion होनी चाहिए. जो भी अभी हाल फिलहाल में हुआ उसमें आपकी क्या opinion है. And some facts which help you strongly present that opinion. That is that, my dear friends. I'll come back to this so that you can actually understand. See, the interviewers, they test your reasoning. Do you that broadly? Do you know कि अभी हो क्या रहा है? And broadly उस पे आप सोच पाते हैं कि नहीं? That's that. Can you form a stand? Do you have a stand or do you have an opinion on that? That's that. Discuss these topics with your friends. Discuss these topics with me for all you know. Join my free group. That is where a lot of this discussion happens, or you can speak to me also. Whatever you want to do. Now I'll come to a point wherein I'm giving you a broad plan that if you don't have anything else, then I've divided the plan per weeks. हर हफ्ते क्या क्या broadly आपके theme होने चाहिए for that week, so that by the end of the month you're ready for all interviews, all sorts of interviews in your MBA this thing admission, whichever school it is. See, 1st to 7th Jan ये सब अभी तक हो जाना चाहिए था. You are watching this now. This should have happened. That's that. Please, you should have taken your first mock interview already. There are students, again, I've told you, I am doing almost 4 mock interviews every day. How is that happening? There are students who are serious about this, who started their prep with a mock interview. उनको कोई ये नहीं है कि अरे हम तो prepared नहीं है, ये नहीं है, कैसे देंगे, नहीं. उन्होंने कहा पहली चीज मुझे करनी ही है कि mock interview दूंगी. As simple as that. That's that. Then, my dear friends, please draft your entire life story in as many pages as you want. I am giving away this exercise which is in my paid program. I am giving it for free. The exercises, please write down your entire life story on A4 sheets or somewhere and use as many sheets as you want to from your childhood up till now, even the smallest things. The moment you will write it, इतनी चीजें तुम्हें अपने लिए याद आ जाएंगी that you will be able to form your answers yourself. शायद मेरी भी जरूरत ना पड़े, हाँ मेरी जरूरत पड़ेगी वहां पे तुम्हें when you have to craft them even more beautifully, but content तुम्हारे सामने आ जाएगा. That is a game changer for you. At times you don't even know that yes I have a strength, yes I have an achievement. तुम्हारा आधा काम वहां पे खत्म हो गया. That's that. My dear friends, उसमें से refine your top 4 or 5 answers. Take my help if you have to. I have a course on this, but take somebody's help. यार चलो छोड़ो, मेरी भी नहीं ले रहे, कोई बात नहीं. Craft your answers. Go to an expert. Take their help. People are ready to help. यार इतने अच्छे लोग हैं आजकल तो I'm seeing, be it here on the YouTube or somewhere. People are ready to help. I can help you. Please approach me and we can do something on that and take feedback on that. जिसको भी आप दिल से मन से फॉलो करते हैं भैया, उससे आप जुड़ जाइए. समय यही है जिसको भी फॉलो करते हैं कि यार ये है, इन्होंने मुझे हेल्प करी थी, इनसे मैं करता हूं. करिए, प्लीज करिए. 8th Jan to 15th Jan the theme changes. See, again, try and understand. First week the theme was you, the core of you. The second week is also you, but now a little bit externalities of you. That please revise the top subjects of your academics if you were a fresher, if you are a fresher. If you have decent amount of work experience, मान लो 1-1.5-2 साल से है ऊपर तुम्हारे पास, अगर है इतना, then top activities and projects of your work you need to remember. Please write these down. Write down 1 page per project, 1 page per subject कि ये subject है या फिर ये project था, इसमें मैंने ये करा था, ये उसमें achievements थे. You should be able to talk numbers over there if it has to be. That's what I expect in mock interviews also. That not only are you able to speak qualitatively about it, but also can also quantify the impact. Again, it's a very standard sort of a thing which you should do anyways. And take your second mock interview now. हर हफ्ते एक तो ले ही लो. Because again, you are doing these mock interviews in iteration. Hello, extremely important. First mock interview हुआ, feedback मिला, second में लगाओ, feedback करो, implement. एकदम don't wait for the most ideal mock interview. ऐसा कोई mock interview नहीं होता है. हर mock interview में कहीं ना कहीं से आपके फीते खुलेंगे. वो होगा ही होगा until and unless you've reached a point by the end of these 4 weeks that you're exceptional. Now Jan 15 to 21 is a week wherein you can now think about a little more of externalities कि अब समाज में क्या चल रहा है. कोई भी 20 टॉप करंट अफेयर्स के टॉपिक ले लीजिए. मेरी हेल्प चाहिए तो लेट मी नो कि सर ये टॉपिक्स हैं, क्या क्या टॉपिक्स हैं बता दो. उसके ऊपर फॉर्म योर ओपिनियंस एंड राइट डाउन दोज ओपिनियंस विद फैक्ट्स. 1 पेज पर ओपिनियन लिखो, फैक्ट्स के साथ लिखो, वो याद हो जाएगा. वो लिखते लिखते याद हो जाएगा तुम्हें. तुम्हारी ओपिनियन सॉलिडिफाई हो जाएगी. द मोमेंट यू विल कम इनटू योर इंटरव्यू यू विल हैव फैक्ट्स टू स्पीक अबाउट. यार कितनी बेसिक बात है ये कोई चीज है. तुम इतना भी एफर्ट, मतलब इट्स अगेन देखो, एक तो चीज है दैट इफ यू प्रेप विद अ एक्सपर्ट, से फॉर एग्जांपल मी, तब तो ठीक है, ये सब चीजें विल बी फार मोर सिंपलर एंड स्ट्रक्चर्ड. बट माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, अगर तुम अकेले भी प्रेप कर रहे हो, इतना बेसिक नहीं कर सकते क्या तुम अपने लिए? यार इतना बड़ा ड्रीम है तुम्हारा, कर सकते हो. आई नो दैट इज व्हाई आई एम सेइंग ऑल ऑफ दीस थिंग्स टू यू. दैट इज व्हाई यू आर वाचिंग दिस अप टिल हियर. नाउ टेक योर वैट एंड जीडीपीआई के प्रैक्टिस जहां पे भी ले रहे हो तुम. गो फॉर दैट एंड प्रैक्टिस योर स्पीकिंग स्किल्स इन योर जीडीपीआई, इन योर जीडी, एंड टेक सम वैट के भी, उस पे वैट पे यू टेक सम फीडबैक ऑन इट कि सर ये लिखा है मैंने आर्टिकल, कैसा लिखा है. टेक इट फ्रॉम मी, बुक अ क्लास विद मी एंड आई विल डू दैट फॉर यू. टेक योर थर्ड मॉक इंटरव्यू नाउ with whoever, with me or with whoever. That's that. And the last week now is a very important thing. Continue developing your opinions on these affairs जो भी सब चल रहा है, but also now start doing B school specific interview prep. For example, if you have a call from IIM Calcutta, you have to get good with quant. They can ask you quant. Even if you are a non-engineer, they could ask you quant. That's that. If you are at IMK, they will definitely get into what is happening around the world, and they will cross question you on your opinions as well. You need to be damn good with that. तुम्हें पता है क्या करना है. If you're having an interview at XLRI for the HRM, then you need to know कि अब HRM specific prep तो करनी पड़ेगी. तो मैंने सब कुछ account for करा हुआ है. If you see this plan now, if you zoom out and if you see this plan, my dear friends, this is a very complete plan. Students have used this and they swear by it. If you follow me on my Instagram, you will see that there are a lot of feedback which I get and a lot of appreciation which I have there. My dear friends, my final takeaway for you is very simple. भैया परसेंटाइल पे डिपेंड मत करना कि मेरी तो 99.9992 भाई जो भी आई है अब तो मेरे लिए हो गया, नहीं. Percentile only opens the door for that GDPI room. Your GDPI prep gets you inside the B school. That's that. Please promise to yourself and promise to me in the comments, no break till you get the results. No break. तब तक ब्रेक नहीं लेना है जब तक GDPI नहीं हो जाता है, ब्रेक नहीं लेना है. And finally, see again, it's a simple process. Mock, feedback, improvement, repeat. मैंने हर हफ्ते मैंने आपको दिया हुआ है एक मॉक इंटरव्यू हर हफ्ते है ही है, बिकॉज मॉक इंटरव्यू सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. GD वैट से तो कहीं ज्यादा है इंपॉर्टेंट मॉक इंटरव्यूज लेना भाई, बिकॉज योर एंटायर प्रेप इज प्राइमरीली योर PI. अब तो इंस्टीट्यूशंस में GD की वैल्यू भी कम होना शुरू हो गई है. अब तो PI का है सारा खेल. अपने आप को प्रेजेंट कर गए तो जीत जाओगे. माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, दैट इज व्हाट आई हैड टू से टू यू इन दिस वीडियो. फॉलो मी, सब्सक्राइब मी. If you need more help, you know all the ways to reach me. My GDPI prep program, my interview prep program is there. You can connect me on a one-to-one call on my Topmate link or also on my free group as well. Thank you and goodbye.